Yes, Papa. No, Papa. Alright guys, we have an unboxing video today.
Yeah.
Diyanah and me, we're gonna do unbox this slime. It's a stress relieving slime. So let's check it out. What do you say? Diyanah, you wanna open it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what we have here.
I want to pop. I just pop.
Look at that, there's a bowl so we can mix it.
Wow.
There's instructions. Alright, hold on. Where's the measuring cup? Ooh, this is the measuring cup. Okay, 15 milliliter. We gotta fill it up to here, okay? Alright, you did it?
Yeah. This is.
Alright.
I see.
Put it in there. Good job.
This is.
Got it? Okay, put this in. Here.
Little bit.
Mix it, mix it.
I'm making slime. Slime.
It's slime?
Yeah.
Why does it look like that?
Blue color.
Blue color?
Ah. Yes. That's nice.
Ew.
It's bubbling.
It's bubbling?
Look at this. I can do it.
You can do it?
Yes.
What? You silly goose? Ooh, that's a big bubble.
What?
That's a big bubble you made there. Can you do it again? What?
I can do it again.
You can do it again?
Yeah.
Let me see. Whoa!
Uh-oh.
That's cool, dude.
Ew.
You having fun?
Yeah.